We have
The
already
shading.
we have already discussed different variety of cheese and different type of additives used in cheese, different type of colors used in cheese, different type of preservatives used in cheese. इसके अलावा what are the different treatments we are actually giving and different variety of cheese including hard cheese, soft cheese, semi soft cheese, है ना? उसके बाद unripened cheese. We have already discussed different method, all the things, but now we are going to discuss that is processed cheese. Processed cheese that is very much popular not only in India but also other parts of the country. In India only you know that processed cheese is actually cheese, hard variety of cheese is actually not consumed. Very little person who are actually living abroad or their family are living abroad, they are actually somewhat consuming hard variety of cheese or semi hard variety of cheese, and other variety of cheese is generally not consumed in our country. Only we are concentrating on mozzarella cheese, pizza cheese, these are the cheese where we are actually focusing, and most of the Indians are actually prefer such type of cheese. Beside that, there is a processed cheese spread. Processed cheese spread. They are actually, their demand is actually very high in coming days. ये तुम लोग से दिख रहा है पूरा?
आपके कंप्यूटर का शेयरिंग मतलब कंप्यूटर डेस्कटॉप दिख रहा है सर.
योर डेस्कटॉप दिख रहा है?
यस, अब आया सर.
आ गया? दिख रहा है तुम लोग को? दिख रहा है तुम लोग को?
यस सर.
तुम लोग सब दिख रहे हो?
यस सर.
सॉरी, स्लाइड तो नहीं दिख रहा है. स्लाइड दिख रहा है तुम लोग को?
नहीं सर.
हाँ,
स्लाइड नहीं शो हो रहा है सर.
अभी तुम बोले ना तो दिख रहा है, तो
सर दिख रहा था सर, फिर अभी नहीं शो हो रहा है. अब आया फिर सर.
हाँ, क्या आया?
आ गया सर, शो हो रहा है.
शो हो रहा है?
फिर खत्म हो गया सर.
मैं दिख
फिर
रहा
रुक
हूँ?
गया. अब आ गया.
मैं दिख रहा
यस
हूँ?
सर, आप भी दिख रहे हैं.
मैं तो तुम लोग को नहीं दिख रहा हूँ.
सर आप दिख रहे हैं सर, आप ऑफिस में बैठे हुए हैं कुर्सी पे.
हाँ, लेकिन मैं नहीं दिख रहा हूँ यार. कैसे? तुम लोग कोई नहीं दिख रहा मुझे ना.
सर नेटवर्क स्लो होगा सर.
ऐसे नहीं होता है, कुछ तो होगा बात. हमें कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है जी. आप दिखेगा. कोई 4 ही लड़का लोग है?
यस सर.
कहाँ गया बाकी लोग? सब रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है?
यस सर.
अब दिख रहा है ना?
सर दिख रहा है सर, स्क्रीन शेयर कीजिए.
दिख रहा है?
यस सर.
अब दिख रहा है ना?
यस सर.
अच्छा, ठीक है. सॉरी. So we are actually discussing about the processed cheese. We have already know that processed cheese is the product which is made by blending natural cheese of different age group in required proportion with the addition of emulsifying salt, followed by heating and continuous mixing to form a homogeneous mass. Processed cheese उसी को कहते हैं. Processed cheese is actually divided into 3 categories: processed cheese blocks, processed cheese slice or processed cheese spread. है ना? What is the main purpose of manufacturing the processed cheese and related product? The basic aim of the preparation of processed cheese is that because in our country and similarly even in other Asian country, they are actually prefer slight acidic flavor, not a strong flavor. We are not prefer a strong flavor. चाहे बांग्लादेश हो, पाकिस्तान हो, श्रीलंका हो, जो भी है, they are actually prefer slight acidic taste. So to increase the demand of cheese in form of other product by, और दूसरा क्या है, we are also aiming to improve the shelf life of the natural cheese. Suppose the natural cheese is ripened up to 6 months, then after that if they are not actually sell directly or not used directly, then we are go for processed cheese spread, because processed cheese is actually manufactured. I have already told you that it is prepared by and mixing of different age group of cheese. Matlab, the cheese may contain 6 month old cheese, ripened cheese, 3 month ripened cheese, or even somewhat natural cheese. Some natural cheese, they are all are actually blend with the permitted emulsifying salt and followed by heating and continuous mixing of homogeneous mass. Then the cheese is actually processed cheese can be obtained. Another method of manufacture of this cheese is that this is actually prepared also by giving different the method of manufacture of all the 3 categories, that is processed cheese block, processed cheese food, and processed cheese spread. The process of manufacture is almost same. There is a slight differences. There is a slight differences in the among the different cheese block, different cheese food, and processed cheese spread. So now comes into the different definition of processed cheese. Processed cheese may be defined as a modified form of natural cheese, which is prepared with the add of heat by communicating and blending one or more lot of cheese, except certain type such as cottage cheese, cream cheese, with water, salt, color, and emulsifying agent or emulsifier into homogeneous plastic mass. This is the general definition of processed cheese, which contains the definition of all 3 categories we have already discussed: processed cheese food, processed cheese block, and processed cheese spread. According to FSSR, that is Food Safety and Regulation of India, that is actually given definition of process is also, that is the processed cheese means the product obtained by grinding, mixing, melting, emulsifying one or more variety of cheese with the add of heat and emulsifying agent. Further, it has been defined that it may contain cream, butter oil, other milk products subject to maximum 5% lactose content in the final product, and it will common salt, vinegar, acetic acid, spices, other vegetable seasoning, and foods other than sugar, properly cooked and prepared for flavoring. And characterization of the product, provided these additions do not exceed 1/6 of the total solid of the finished product on dry matter basis, and cultures of harmless bacteria and enzymes. So these are the definitions which is given by FSSI. So it may contain pleasant taste, free from any off flavor and acidity. It may contain food additives, which is being the boundary between the limitation of FSSI or even other regulatory body, or it may contain or confirm the requirement as prescribed in the regulation. It have moisture not more than 47% and milk fat not less than 40% on dry matter. So these are the specification which is laid down by the FSSAI. So I have already given you this idea. After that, now comes into the different category of processed food. Processed cheese, that is three types. We have already that is contributed, that is actually divided into three categories. And processed cheese block, processed cheese foods, or processed cheese spread. So far as the ingredient is concerned, in the processed cheese block, the ingredients are natural cheese. Natural cheese का मतलब जो ripen variety की चीज हुई वो ripen natural cheese, emulsifier, salt, that is NaCl, and coloring matter. These are the only ingredient for processed cheese block. However, in the case of processed cheese food, the ingredients are almost, they are all contain the same ingredient which is required for the processed cheese, but they are also added as an optional ingredient like milk, whey powder, skim milk, cream, skim milk cheese, or organic acids. So processed cheese foods are or may contain milk, skim milk, whey protein concentrate, whey protein powder, cream, albumin, or skim milk cheese, in addition to the natural cheese, emulsifiers, NaCl, and coloring material. Similarly, in the case of processed cheese spread, they are containing all the material whatever actually mentioned in the processed cheese food. Just I have mentioned the processed cheese foods, they are actually containing natural cheese, emulsifier, NaCl, and coloring material. Along with, they are actually also retaining milk, skim milk, cream, albumin, skim milk cheese, and organic acid. But in case of processed cheese spread, they are containing all the material whatever given in the processed cheese food. But in processed cheese spread, they are definitely containing the gums. Gums का क्या use है? Gums for water retention, है ना? Spread करते हैं ना? Processed cheese spread is generally used for spreading on the either in chapati or in breads. So their gums are actually used in case of processed cheese spread, whereas gums are actually absent in processed cheese and processed cheese foods. So far as the different composition are concerned, the highest moisture was retained in the processed cheese spread, whereas lowest moisture is observed in processed cheese food. The minimum fat content in processed cheese spread is 20%, 20%, 20% minimum, whereas processed cheese contain 40% fat, minimum 40% fat, whereas salt remain the same in all three categories. Salt content, maximum salt content in all the three categories remain the same, that is 3%. So these are the actually different difference between the processed cheese foods, and processed cheese spread. Now comes into the different cooking temperature. That is when we going to prepare the different variety of processed cheese, then the cooking temperature is different and pH is also different. So in case of processed cheese block, we are maintaining the cooking temperature 71 degrees centigrade for 80 degrees centigrade. Here we are giving you the flow diagram of the method of manufacture of processed cheese. So here, first of all, we are actually क्या करते हैं? We are receiving natural cheese. The natural cheese may be 6 month old, they may be 3 month old, or maybe even more than 6 month old. And after that, we are actually checking the cheese for their quality. And then when we see that cheese is actually suitable for processed cheese making, then we are actually select, and after selection, we are already tell you that we are adding, है ना, salt, emulsifier, है ना, और नेचुरल चीज तो है ही, तो देन वी आर एक्चुअली कंप्यूटिंग द इंग्रेडिएंट्स, व्हाट शुड बी द डिफरेंट क्वांटिटी, है ना, सो दैट दे कैन मीट द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ लीगल स्टैंडर्ड आल्सो, एंड आल्सो मेंटेनिंग द फ्लेवर और desirable texture in the finished product. So we are actually calculating the ingredients, what should be the different ingredients is required in what amount. So we are giving you numericals in that also, so that you can write in practical records. So I will give you numerical tomorrow. I will give you numerical, and I will also tell you how you can actually compute or find out the different ingredients for addition or for manufacture of processed cheese. उसके बाद हम लोग क्या करते हैं, blending करते हैं. Then after selection of different ingredients and quantity decided, then we are actually blending the all the materials. Here we are actually clear you that the ingredient will be vary, है ना, according to manufacture of the processed cheese variety, that is processed cheese block, processed cheese food, or processed cheese spread. Suppose when we prepare processed cheese block, then we are using generally recommended है कितना 70 to 75% mild, 25 to 30% semi mature to mature, है ना, for manufacture of block, processed cheese block. When we prepare processed cheese slice or processed cheese food, then the composition, then the percentage of ingredients is percentage of cheese is 30 to 40% young cheese का मतलब they are actually just ripened. Young cheese, then 50 to 60% mild cheese, that means 1 month old, 2 month old, or 10% mature cheese, है ना, that can be used, या 55% young cheese, 35% semi mature cheese, or 10% mature cheese, that means fully ripened. 10% mature cheese matlab fully ripened. So we are actually so according to the type of processed cheese, we are actually adding the natural cheese, young cheese, or mild cheese in different proportionate, है ना. Then after that we are adding emulsifying salt. We are going for addition of emulsifying salt. Emulsifying salt में हम लोग यहाँ पे हम लोग एक चीज बताना चाहेंगे. We are here want to clear you that generally we can also, I have already told you, in case of processed cheese spread or processed cheese food, we are also recommending the whey protein concentrate. So whey protein concentrate, when we add processed cheese proteins, which is obtained by ultrafiltration or other methods, so we can adding processed cheese whey protein concentrate to a processed cheese, then definitely they must contain lower mineral and lactose content. And when we add the whey protein concentrate, then the processed cheese will become found with better flavor, है ना. Better flavor के साथ हम लोग perceive करेंगे. And we can also, it is also reported that when we use 20% of the whey protein concentrate in the processed cheese manufacture, है ना, we can also improving the nutritive value of the cheese. Here we are also adding emulsifiers and salt and water. Heat processing, thermal processing is actually given. Thermal processing of all the three categories is different, है ना. अगर हम processed cheese block के लिए करते हैं, then the cooking temperature is generally 71 to 80 degree centigrade. Whereas in case of processed cheese food, the cooking temperature is 79 to 85 degree centigrade. Whereas in case of processed cheese spread, the cooking temperature is 88 to 91 degrees centigrade. So here you can observe that highest cooking temperature is with the processed cheese spread, whereas lowest cooking temperature is followed in case of processed cheese block, है ना? So these are the different so heating temperature जो है we can given according to the processed cheese type of processed cheese going to be manufactured. After that we can go for, and after that we can actually go for addition of emulsifier, salt and water, है ना? So these are also, I have already told you that according to the type of processed cheese we are adding emulsifier. Emulsifier जैसे already तुम लोग जानते हो कि जो हमने अभी भी बताया कि क्या क्या है emulsifier. स्टेबलाइजर में साइट्रिक एसिड, सोडियम साइट्रेट, सोडियम साल्ट ऑफ ऑर्थोफॉस्फोरिक एसिड, पॉलीफॉस्फोरिक एसिड, है ना? उसमें एसिडिफाइंग एजेंट में विनेगर, एसिटिक एसिड, लैक्टिक एसिड, ये सब हम लोग यूज करते हैं. और here we can also use processed cheese ये साल्ट जो है trisodium citrate, which is also used in case of evaporated milk. Manufacture of trisodium citrate is also used for in manufacture of evaporated milk. The same emulsifier is also used in case of processed cheese spread. And then what? Salt is NaCl, pure salts, and microbiologically high quality salt is used for manufacture of this. The salt, the content of salt is not more than 3% in any type of cheese. So you can prepare all in all three categories. You maintain the salt level up to 3%, not more than 3%. 3% is enough to check the growth and check the growth of putrefactive bacteria, and also improving the flavor of the cheese. So these are the different. After that, we can go for packaging, and different packaging material then are actually available in the market, and you can, according to the type of product, we can choose for packaging. And after packaging, the product is actually stored in a cold room, cold room where temperature is less than 10 degrees centigrade, 11 degrees centigrade. So these are the different procedures by which we are actually manufacturing the different type of variety of processed cheese. Now, one thing you are also observing that the pH of all the three categories, all the processed cheese blocks, processed cheese food, and processed cheese spread are different, because we are adding different age group of cheese. We are adding in some variety of cheese like processed cheese food and processed cheese spread. We are adding whey protein, skim milk cheese, albumin. So we are also adding gums in case of processed cheese spread to improve the spreadability of the processed cheese spread. So हम लोग क्या है? Then the pH of all the three categories will be different. So here the pH of the processed cheese block is 5.6 to 5.8, whereas in case of processed cheese food the pH is 5.2 to 5.7, whereas the processed cheese spread generally maintaining the pH 5.2. So these are the important aspects which we have to discuss with you, that what are the different methods by which we are actually going to prepare processed cheese food. Now comes into the different type of other things which are actually added to improve the flavor of the cheese. So desired in case of processed cheese, enzymatically modified cheese are also being used, along with the ripened variety of cheese, or the flavor intensity of enzymatically modified cheese is increased to about 10 to 30 times as compared to traditional cheese. So these are the So commercial preparation of cheddar, Swiss cheese, Parmesan cheese, and other modified cheese are available, which gives excellent result in case of processed cheese product. So these are the different things we have to actually discuss with you, and there are so many works has been reported by different workers. Similarly, the recently the US has filed a patent and or getting a patent for manufacture of virtually fat-free processed cheese. And now processed cheese which is completely free from fat has been patented, and they are actually also marketed in US countries. And similarly, the other method of manufacture by Gupta and Reuter, they are also develop processed cheese by using whey protein concentrate and trisodium citrate. They are also developed this type of product. Gupta, which is from NDRE, and Reuter is actually the German people who has actually prepared processed cheese spread. And they, first of all, they are actually getting whey protein concentrate by using ultrafiltration, and that whey protein concentrate are actually used in processed cheese, manufacture processed cheese. Similarly, there are so many workers are also Japani patent is also, they are also develop a new method of manufacture of packed processed cheese. And they are actually pre-processed heat treatment in which they are giving 100 degrees centigrade temperature of packed processed cheese. So these are also patented by the by the Japanese worker. So these are the different aspects. The time is going to only 10 minutes remain, 1 minute remains. So if you have any query, you can ask question. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Have you any query? Ravish?
समय नहीं है सर।
नहीं, फिर भी पूछ लो, कोई बात नहीं, समय नहीं है तो अभी है ना, 1 मिनट है।
सर हम लोग जो सिलेक्शन करते हैं तो प्रोसेस करने के लिए चीज को, उसमें क्या क्या देखा जाता है, मतलब क्या क्या उसके।
ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है। तुम जो भी हम चीज को, तुम जिस तरह से हमको चीज बनाने के लिए जो भी हमको मतलब क्या कहते हैं, दूध के लिए जो रिक्वायरमेंट होता है उसको पता है तुम्हें, उसी तरह से प्रोसेस चीज बनाने के लिए वो देखना है दैट मींस फ्री फ्रॉम एनी टाइप ऑफ डिफेक्ट। जैसे रिन रॉड डिफेक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए उसमें, है ना, मोल्ड ग्रोथ नहीं होना चाहिए, है ना, उसमें है सो डेवलपबिलिटी ज्यादा नहीं